Hi families, you're welcome back to my beautiful channel. This is girl Doc6 once again if you are new. So today is another video and we are not doing a product review. Today I'm just talking about an upcoming series that I'm about to start on my channel, which is called the Be a Boss Lady series. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of stuffs, from making soaps to any other skincare product that you can name, from toners to serums to body lotions to shower gels to whatever skincare product that you can think of. And then this main series is about staying home and then being productive, like doing certain things right at home and then selling them to make money. Okay, so we're gonna we're gonna talk about a whole lot of things, or I'm gonna demonstrate a whole lot of things that you can do right at home, and you don't really need a third party to do those things for you. Something like being designing your own labels right on your phone. You don't need to walk to the graphic designer or talk to someone else to design a label for you. You don't need an accountant to do certain things for you. You will be your own graphic designer, you will be your own manager, you will be your own accountant, you will be your own salesperson, you will be your own every single thing about business. So basically this series is going to be about how to establish yourself whilst you don't really need all the expensive things that you may be thinking of. So even if you're a part of my channel, you subscribe to my channel due to the series product review about cosmetics, or you subscribe to the soap making, you can still tap into certain things that we're going to do here, and by the time you realize, you'll be creating your own products right at home, whereby you don't really need to be purchasing them from other people. That is when you know exactly what goes into your product and you know exactly what you are using right on your skin. So it's gonna be a beautiful series and a beautiful journey, and I hope that you're gonna ride with me. Okay. So I know some people do follow me on my Instagram account. That is my business account actually, because I have two Instagram accounts. One is for personal styles and the other one is for my business purposely, which I created somewhere around 2019. I wanted to sell already made skincare products, but later on realized I could do something better with it by selling the things that I do make myself there. So you can follow me there too to see certain things that I make on my Instagram account, and I do sell all kinds of soap base on that account, and you will see a lot of them whilst I'll be posting them. I do make moringa soap, I do make melt and pour soap base, actually goat milk melt and pour soap base, transparent soap base, which I have also done like 2 videos about transparent soap base on my channel. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to dive into it like deeper so that you will get the clear understanding of how to make your own and then sell to make money. Okay, it's not going to be just giving the recipe out. I'm going to give the brainstorm actually behind formulating or creating a transparent soap based recipe. So you can follow me on my channel as well to see certain things that I make on my Instagram account. That is Doc6 soap base. I'll put that on the screen so that it's going to be easier to search for me out there. So anything concerning soap base, we're going to be talking about them, from carrot soap base, cucumber, aloe, whatever soap base that you can think of. I'm going to be making them on my channel so that you can tap in and then remake them, make them your own, sell them, and then make money. Just an easy way, staying right at home and then being productive. So that is what this series is gonna be about. That is the Be a Boss Lady series. So if you just found my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe so that we can vibe together. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. This is not going to be a long video. God bless you all, and I love you, and I will be expecting you in this journey. Bye bye.